If your iPhone 15 is not showing text notifications coming from Android, there are a few things you can try to fix the issue. First, check the notification settings for messages. This is very important to make sure that you are receiving notifications for messages from Android users. To do this, open Settings and tap Messages. Tap Notifications and make sure that the switch next to Allow Notifications is turned on. You should also make sure that the boxes for Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners are all checked. After making sure that the settings are enabled and correct, and the problem persists, then you have to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches that can cause problems with notifications. To do that, press and hold either of the volume buttons and the power key simultaneously until the slider appears. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your phone. Wait a few seconds and then turn your iPhone 15 on again. Most of the time, these two solutions are enough to fix notifications issues like this. However, there are other things you can do, like updating the firmware of your iPhone or resetting the network settings to rule out the possibility that it's a network-related problem. We hope that this guide can be helpful. Thanks for watching.